Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a huge declutter and massive clean with me, so you should be able to get a lot of cleaning motivation here today. So a lot of you always ask me what's upstairs because I've never shown that in my videos. So I'm gonna solve that mystery for you right now and show you. Our upstairs is a completely unfinished area that we plan to finish later on down the road. As of right now, we are using it for storage. We haven't built a garage yet, so this is our only means of storage, and as you can see, it has turned into a huge disaster. So cleaning a huge space like this can be very overwhelming and frustrating to the point where you can actually get unmotivated to clean. So my plan today is to focus on one area at a time, and once I get that space done, I'm going to move to another area. I'm not going to pick up things here and there because that's when I start to get unmotivated because it looks like nothing is getting done and I feel like I'm just wasting my time. You're gonna see more progress focusing on one area than trying to clean the whole space at one time. So I'm going to start today right in the middle and focus on picking up all the wood pieces and organizing them by size and type along the wall. Then I'm going to pick up anything else remaining in the area.
Under my tattoos, there's a remedy, and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, yeah. There's a remedy,
I'm not coming into this cleaning project with the mindset that I'm going to make everything look pretty to look at and it's going to be so beautiful because this is our storage area and I don't really care what it looks like. My main concern is to organize the mess, get rid of the trash, and then all the things that I don't want anymore. So I don't want some of you to be surprised at the end of this video where there's still things visible and stuff everywhere, but once I am done, you're going to see a drastic difference.
Maybe it's 'cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back to.
Now that I'm done with that area, I'm gonna move to the other side of the room and start straightening that up. This is where we cut wood, so there's a lot of sawdust everywhere and lots of tools to be picked up.
Tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time, but don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind, dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
Next, I'm going to work on my personal area, which is where I keep a lot of my sentimental items, extra home decor, gift wrap, and so on. There is so much home decor that I've been keeping for so long, thinking I was going to use it again, but I never did. So I did decide to get rid of a lot of it today. And to declutter all of it, I made piles to help me. I made a pile to go to the thrift store, a pile to go to the consignment shop, a trash pile, and I also made a pile for gift wrap.
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. They're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in.
Here is my pile I made that is everything related to gift wrap. There is just so much stuff that needs to be thrown away and gone through and just organized here, so I'm going to continue doing that.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. They're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. They're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying high.